Hello. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm analyzing my camera roll for the last year and a half, almost 2 years, actually. This is an app that I've developed to help me post on social media because there's a lot of stuff that I haven't shared, but we have a ton of content from when I met my wife to how we got married to our trips that we went on and having our baby and all kind of stuff. So right now I'm working with my CEO agent and I've got my dev agent here. My CEO really working on this for me. It looks like we just approved something. Let's take a look at what they approved. So let me spin up the app so you can see the app here. This is the app. Is it running? Yeah, it's running. Okay. So these are all of my content. This is all of my content. 2,797 images and videos. So yeah, like it's just a ton of content that I'm recording right now. A screen. Okay. You got Donnie rolling around. Look at him. Lots of Don stuff. I mean, basically, I went through my camera roll and I picked out just all the photos of my family that I'm creating. And I mean, I guess I could just imagine seeing all of this in a feed, but let's see what AI thinks. It's going to analyze everything and maybe tell me something about my life. But it's supposed to create content. So here's our current planner. So it did plan some posts already. This is suggested. So we can use this. We can actually post this. It's Thursday already. We missed it. Oh no, we can move it. So we can use this. What? Oh, Anthropic. I gotta change that. We're using Anthropic. What are we using Anthropic for? Let's just use OpenAI. Let me have them fix that real quick. It's working here. Let me just tell my CEO agent. Let me just tell him here. Dear CEO, I am completely out of Anthropic credits right now, but I have OpenAI credits, and I would like to use one of the suggested posts from our original plan before the large archive. Can we switch the model to use OpenAI instead of Anthropic for whenever it creates the post? I don't want to throw you off from the current work, so let me know if this is possible or not, or if we should wait.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm getting this error. I'm recording my screen and I'm recording myself. Hello. So, what did we actually approve? So, this is very good coffee, by the way. It's a lot of numbers. I don't really understand. Man. Hammock, a stop subject. What? Hammock is not a stop subject. This is me working right now. My wife's taking videos of me. It's very awesome. This is gonna go into the app, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, where's baby? What's he doing?
So, Papa.
Yeah, this is a lot to read. I'm just gonna trust in my AIs. Hopefully they know my CEO should know what my desired outcome is. Keep this separate from the discovery work we were just doing. We do not need to switch to new discovery judge to open AI right now. Uh-huh. Okay, saying enough. So going back here before I have to top up my credits. Um, anyways, this one was already created, so here's a post. So it creates the hook, creates your caption, and then it takes these. These are 4 video. Dang it! These are 4 images. Bop, 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 that it just put together, just to make like a real slideshow. Um, we do have a backlog of features that we want to develop, but right now we want to get the core working. So eventually we could turn this into a carousel or something, and we could add more editing options if we wanted. But right now we've just got these simple edit options. Like this is our very basic uh, working product right now. So we're not trying to add anything that diverts us to uh, more development time. Right now, we want to get just a core loop working, which is upload the media, analyze the media, understand it, create, approve, or edit, or improve, and then post. And it's already doing that. So that we already published that core loop. And now we just uploaded. That was from an initial set of 100 content, so 100 images and videos, and then now I just uploaded my entire archive from the last almost 2 years, uh, and now this is really stress testing the understanding layer and the planning layer, because now it has stuff to go analyze from over 1.6 years. But this is just what it's found from the 100 media data set. So, and yeah, I didn't post any of this stuff. I posted this one, but I didn't post it as like what it. We can look at my current Instagram. Let's see. This is my current Instagram. So yeah, I mean, it looks very much like my camera roll. uh, so here is an interesting part. I was posting a lot of my life, and this was also from my other. This is also from the same app, just a previous version of it. I didn't really like it so much because it was, I don't know, it was not as cool as it could be. Man, I was posting a lot though. I was getting some good engagement. This one got 40,000 views, I think. Yeah. This one got like 40,000 views. Let's see. almost 30,000. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, this is what I'm posting. Yeah, a lot of me. Lots of me. Hello. Hello, this is Eric. Oh, I didn't even post the alien one. What? Didn't even post it. I don't even know where it's at. So, yeah. Yeah, so this is really cool. Really cool stuff to see here. It's like I'm just aligning my life here. All right, so this is done. Let's see what happened. Hand this off to my CEO here. Analyze what they came up with. Another thing I'm working on is taking these screen recordings and building a pipeline to automatically create content, so I don't have to like manually edit it, so it can chop up this long form video into shorter segments automatically. I will post that to my YouTube channel. I don't even know what I'm copying here. What's going on here? Okay, the keys. I'd switch to Discovery Judge Evaluation to OpenAI now rather than buying Anthropic credits. Yes, I would not immediately make OpenAI the permanent judge angle. Okay, perfect. Okay. 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 Yeah, well, that's great because we need to save some money right now. Yeah, OpenAI API is not expensive, but it costs more. It costs more than what I have in my account right now. Thank goodness it's only a few dollars. Okay. You know, we're ramping back up. I don't have any income right now. I have one client. Who's this? Who's calling me? P. Oops, sorry. Somebody was calling me. Good shit. Ah. One moment. Need to blow my nose. Alrighty. So, see what the dev agent's doing. Okay, one moment. I'm gonna blow my nose here. Hop back on this. You guys can watch my dev agent. All right, I'm back. Super dusty here in Brazil, if you guys didn't know that. It's very dry and there's not a lot of grass. It's dusty dirt, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful where we're at. So, as soon as they switch that, then I'll be able to. Aha! Awesome. Okay, so I think I can go ahead and test this now because it looks like it made changes. Oh, not yet. Okay, let's wait. Hmm. In the meantime, let's look at our coffee brand. Hold up. Hold up. I want to message this to this guy real quick. Translate. I need to go to Portuguese. Allow. Hi, Reinaldo. Thank you for the coffee. It is very tasty. I'm drinking it right now. I wanted to share our coffee brand with you. This is a coffee brand my wife started, and I built the website. It is a concept we developed in Thailand where we toured a organic coffee farm in the north. It's a specialty coffee, award winning. This is our idea of sharing coffee and how we experience it. And this is something we would also like to do with Brazilian coffee and with your farm. We would love to take some pictures and videos and to create a new segment on our website so that we can sell your coffee worldwide. And I have one question. Okay, I won't ask the question yet because it's about importing to the U.S. First, I want to get the content, and then we can talk about that. Hmm. Um, hey, good morning. I'll just say good morning. Bom dia. We're gonna go Portuguese. Bom dia, Reinaldo. Obrigado pelo café. Este é muito saboroso. Opa. Okay, hold up. I'm multitasking here. This is how I work, so it's really cool. Because like in my brain, I don't have to hold the direction because I trust my AI maybe a little too much. Sometimes it goes down rabbit holes, so you got to really keep it a track. But I think this one, the context is not too overly high, so it just stay on course. So, anyways, I'm gonna get back to this here. Uh, yeah, this is our coffee brand. I didn't even show you guys. So, not just coffee store. I think I'm gonna, dude. I need to add more photos, and these photos take forever. Okay, okay. We need to add way more photos. We need to add way more photos. So before I send this, I'm gonna update the website. I'm gonna update the website. I just because it's we need to show the photos from the real. All right, all right. Hold up. I gotta start a new project. Here we go. Who do I want to work on this? This CEO? Oh my goodness! I gotta start this project again. Let me do this. Let me do this. All right, I'm gonna do screenshots. La 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 la. Okay, that's pretty much it, man. Sitemap. What do we got? I don't even think we have a sitemap. I don't even know. Holy crap! Oh my god, I'm so excited because I haven't worked on this website in so long. I don't think that it's fully optimized. As you can see, we're freaking running HTML. Why have I not worked on this? I don't know. I've been so busy building software that I just completely forgot about this website. Oh, hi. Okay, I'll just talk so you guys don't have to listen to me. Hi. I am returning back to Not Just Coffee website with the intention of redesigning with color and adding more of the photos from our trips and our tours of the 2 coffee farms that we've toured already. We toured the coffee farm in North Thailand and we toured Sumatra. And right now, our journey is in Brazil. We are in Brazil right now, and we are less than 500 meters from a coffee farm that we've just toured already, but we did not take any photos or videos. We just met the guy and we bought some coffee. We tested it, and it's really good. And we're staying right down the street. So we want to send him an email or a message showing him the website. We haven't showed him the website yet. We want to show him the website and we want to say, hey, this is what we want to do with your farm. Here's the other farms that we've already visited. North Thailand, we're selling their coffee worldwide. And here is the Sumatra farm. This is all of our photos and videos that we made. We also want to, and we're selling their coffee worldwide, and we want to do the same exact thing with your farm right now. We want to interview you, we want to do photos, and we want to bring that experience to our website. So, right now, I need you to analyze the current website and let's make it to where when we send it to a farm, they understand like, oh, these guys travel, they go to these farms, and they make the content, and then if they like the product, which we do, we will we will add it to our website and we sell it worldwide. So that's where we want to take the website from its current place. So not only will it should be able to handle a normal user, someone searching for coffee that wants to purchase specialty coffee from around the world in Thailand, Sumatra, and Brazil. And right now, we are focusing mostly on probably the American US target market. So uh, it should be optimized to show up in search results. I don't think we've done any search engine optimization yet. So uh, let's optimize it for the US market. And I can give you my business address. We can set up the business address. But, anyways, SEO is the last thing. The main thing we want now is the core concept and the user experience so that when users land, they understand the brand, So we don't want to lose the meaning of the brand, like the whole concept of coffee being our ritual, and the testing before you know what the flavors are and stuff like that. But I want to get rid of the black and white theme, so that when people land, it's a bit more. Uh, it's a better impression of like, oh, this is like very nice photos and stuff like that. So hopefully I've given you enough idea to help me write up a plan. We're going to work with our dev agent, Cloud Code, to do the development. Right now, the website's built in HTML, so it would also be a good time to probably convert this to a Next.js app as well, and connect up Stripe instead of PayPal. Right now, our e-commerce is set up through PayPal. Um, this could also be a very cool experience with no, okay, anyways, I think we should definitely convert to Next.js and Stripe checkout, and yeah, let's build this. So wow, you know what, this could be a very good case study for Ostra. Actually, Ostra is a website builder that I've already built that has the ability to do e-commerce websites. So this could literally be a case study for Ostra to demo our uh, e-commerce capability. We could just develop that because I'm gonna end up having to develop that anyways. We might as well just develop it now with not just coffee. Okay, let's go that route, and we need to import. We can't lose the styling though of the current site. Well, I mean we can, but it. Uh, I don't know. Let's see what you think. Here's the current screenshots, and take a look at those. I'm cool. I'm okay with moving away from this dark black. I want it to be more inviting, anyways. So don't tell my wife that. But we're gonna keep the same logo, but I don't know. Let's explore some themes. I can and design systems. We want to create a full design system. So uh, let's be able to do this, but let's also be able to do this through the Ostra app, so that it becomes a system and a replicatable process for other brands that want to start e-commerce things like this. Okay? Okay. So that was pretty cool. I think this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge work. It's going to be awesome. Opa. Sweet. All right. So this is running right now. You can see full 1,604 candidates. Oh my goodness. We're going to have a plan. This is exciting. Okay, I gotta go blow my nose again. I'm gonna pause this video and then I'm gonna restart round two.